Easy. Che fa?
Tattoos on my body, I'ma rock it like it's riddle. She want ass shots, poke a hole like a dimple. Sticking to the code with the bros, keep it simple. And I ain't ever need no soul. She just wanna call my phone. I ain't picking. Tell me, baby, what you tryna do? I've been outside, what's the move? Look into my eyes, and that's the truth. She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be tryna text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, tryna text. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be tryna text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me.
Quindi sei venuto a fare un
See, she been playing games, no scrimmage, tryna test me.
Allora, te privato.
Awakening, sir! Awakening, sir! Awakening, sir! Si posiziona la mano, è così. E piglia l'aria, adesso ti c'è la bascia, tu fai così. Awakenings! Awakenings! Awakenings!
Until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bed. So long,
Cacciuta! Cacciuta! Cacciuta!
I'm leaving empty-handed, but happy to find the end. Cause it don't even make sense when I think about the time I spent. All them years down the drain with them lies you said.
Cioè qui oggi stiamo un po' meglio. La febbre si è abbassata un po'. Oggi il clima aiuta, non con il vento però, è meno freddo. E nel mentre ci fumiamo il nostro joint.
Shit I don't believe. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and sung and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bed. I got voices in my head telling me things, tryna incite the violence.
Ah, bravo, GG, go. Vai.
Solamente. Fabio.
See you on the other side. Me and your dad worked a deal you can never hide. I finally feel how I feel being dead inside. And all I gotta say to you is forever goodbye. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This
Troppo curioso, guarda. Sei troppo curioso, guarda. Che malavoro, si è messo a cagliare, sai. Vai,
so long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bed. So long, I'ma be like the way
I would like to have a 9 not so strong, exciting high.
Something exciting. I would go for one of these two the first time.
Ok.
And then if it's the first time, go for either 10 or 15 grams.
Ok.
I recommend 15 over 10, even the first time, because what you can do with 15, start with 10 grams. 10 grams is the minimum you need, it's very light.
Okay.
So you start with 10 grams, you leave the 5. See how you feel for like an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Okay.
Don't taste good, but you have to chew them. 45 minutes later, the whole thing will stay for like 3 to 5 hours.
Quale vediamo?
È più scoppio. No, un po' brutto dovrei proprio. Adesso sì, in realtà. Questo è poco, è più forte, fa. Massimo effetti visivi vediamo. Fra morca e lei. Ah no, deve mandare.
Still won't get my song. And these niggas sleeping on me, so I call them siesta. Shorty want it all, but I just had to next up. Said she had a friend and they want a trifecta. She be going on like a fucking. I say yo bitch a party. We got a problem, sending niggas at your heads on. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same vein. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hit replay. I be winning every time, even with a head start. Niggas think they making hits, they ain't in the ballpark. They be trying to make it on, but they really fall hard. You ain't even in my zone, how you think that you
Ora capisco perché Homer Simpson mangia sempre ciambelli.
At this point I've been at war with all these niggas. I say yo bitch a party, call a fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, sending niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hit replay.
TK Beats made this.